Hi guys, I'm Sherry. I believe you have already noticed that I went to trim my hair. Yeah, because the weather is freaking hot recently. You will just sweat once you leave home or if you leave aircon. So I decided to cut my hair, and because I'm very lazy to style my hair as well, so that's why I decided to just cut it short. Hope this new hairstyle actually looks good on me. Alright, so let's move on to today's video. Today's video is actually a step-by-step video again to show you how I actually draw my eyeliner. Many of you, especially beginners who just learn how to do your makeup, may have difficulties in drawing your eyeliner especially. So today I will actually show you a very simple way on how to draw your eyeliner, and this is how I actually used to draw my eyeliner. So before we move on to the tutorial part, let me introduce you some of the eyeliner products that is available on the market. Alright, so before we move on to the tutorial, there are some of the information that I would like to share with you, like how many eyeliner products are there in the market right now. So I believe the most commonly seen one, there are three types. One is the liquid eyeliner, then the gel type eyeliner pencil, and lastly the gel eyeliner. So it depends on your needs and whether how skilled you are on drawing eyeliner as well. So for beginners who actually don't really know how to draw eyeliner, I would actually recommend you to start with using the gel type eyeliner pencil. Firstly, gel type is more long lasting. It's actually more smudge proof as well. So, and it's very easy for you to use a gel type eyeliner pencil if you are trying to draw on your waterline, because you can just easily go back and forth because of the gel, which is very smooth on your skin, and you can actually slowly just bit by bit to add on and then to complete your eyeliner. And another type that I would recommend will be the liquid eyeliner, because liquid is also actually more long lasting. So for people who have oily lids but you already have a certain level of knowing how to apply or draw eyeliner, I would recommend you to use the liquid one. But for beginners, I will still recommend you to use a gel type eyeliner pencil. Alright, so this is just a little sharing with you on the eyeliner products. So let's now move on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so today I will actually use the eyeliner pencil, which is a little bit like a gel-like pencil, to show you how I actually draw my eyeliner using this. So let's close up a little. Alright, so for beginners who are learning how to draw the inner eye line on your waterline, you will actually have to lift up your eyelid a bit. You can actually use your finger, or you can actually use the cover to lightly lift up your lid. So what I would suggest is to have a mirror that is tilted slightly below so that you can lift up easily, so that you don't have to do this. If you have a mirror that is slightly below your face, then you can just slightly lift up, and then you can start drawing the inner corner on your waterline. So each time I would suggest you just lightly stroke a little bit on your waterline, then you can gradually form a very nice line on your waterline. So what I do is I just turn out a bit and then lift up my lid like this. You will see like this, when the mirror is below your face, and then you will just, the waterline is actually just along your lashes, so just slightly stroke bit by bit along your lashes to the front, and go back and forth again. But if you see that if there is any empty space along, you just need to fill it up nicely by going back and forth again. Okay, so this is after complete drawing on your waterline itself. Then, so this is what we will do next. What you just need to do is slightly wing out a bit. Follow your eye shape and wing out, like to form a straight line. So for some of you who actually couldn't find where the straight line is or where to end, I would suggest to slightly close your eye a bit, lift your eyelid a little bit, and then just draw a straight line. Yep. Like you can see now, here is a little bit empty, this part, because you only have a line here, but my lashes and my lid is actually going downwards. So what you can do is slightly lift it up, and then fill it in. So usually at the end of your eyelid here, instead of just drawing a line to extend out, you should actually also fill this part like an angle, and then slowly connects to your end of your eyeliner that you have drawn earlier on, and then you will have a nicer wing out on your eye corner. And you won't have a very thick eyeliner on your lid. So this is how you connect your waterline to the end. So what we will do is we will just widen the gap a bit. By drawing back to the front. So you will start with the outer eye corner because you have already completed the outer eye corner. Then you will just draw slightly above your waterline, and then just slowly shape it back. Alright, so this then completes today's video. Hope this video is actually useful to you guys, especially for beginners who are trying to learn how to draw eyeliner. Please leave your comments below if there is any, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!